Have you ever made a big mess? Paint on your hands, crumbs on the floor, and wished you could make everything clean again? Sometimes the mess isn't on the floor. Sometimes it's in our hearts, like when we say something unkind or we disobey. In the Bible, God gave his people a special day called the Day of Atonement. It was a once-a-year day to say, "God, we're sorry," and to remember that God is the one who makes his people clean on the inside. The word atonement means God makes things right again, like bringing friends back together after a fight. Long ago, God's people worshipped at a holy tent called the tabernacle. On this special day, the high priest, Aaron, put on simple, clean linen clothes. It reminded everyone that this was a serious, special day. The tabernacle had a courtyard outside and a special room inside. God taught his people that he is holy, and we come to him with respect. First, Aaron brought an offering for himself and his family. Even leaders needed God's forgiveness. Aaron did everything exactly the way God said. He wasn't rushing or showing off. He was listening carefully. Then Aaron carried sweet-smelling incense. When he went behind the special curtain, the incense made a gentle cloud. It showed that God's presence was holy and that Aaron came with respect. Behind the curtain was the most holy place. It was the holiest spot, and only the high priest went in, only on this one day. Aaron also brought a bowl with a small amount of the offering's blood. In God's word, blood represented life. Aaron sprinkled it in front of the mercy seat, God's special place of meeting, just as God commanded. This was a sign that sin was being covered, and that God was making a way for his people to be forgiven. Aaron did it carefully, the number God said. It was a reminder, God keeps his promises, and God's way is best. After that, Aaron brought an offering for the people. Again, he followed God's instructions, so the holy place would be cleaned from anything sinful or wrong. Finally, Aaron went to the altar outside. He put some of the blood on it and sprinkled it to cleanse it and set it apart for God. It was like a deep cleaning, showing that God wanted his people and their worship to be pure. All of this showed two big truths. God is perfectly holy, and God is wonderfully merciful. What does this mean for us? It reminds us that sin is real, but God is merciful. When we do wrong, we can tell the truth, say we're sorry, and ask God to forgive us. And we can do our best to make things right, like apologizing, sharing, and forgiving others too. You can even do a simple prayer like this. God, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Help me choose what's right. The Day of Atonement was like God's big cleanup day, pointing to his kindness and his promise to forgive. And that's the Day of Atonement from Leviticus 16, 11 through 19.